Hello again, I'm John Terzak, and welcome back to another video recipe of mine here at The Seasoned Cook. Today, I'm going to answer the question, how to make pizza sauce without doing any cooking in 5 minutes or less. I'm going to get right down to it, so start your clock, okay? So, to begin with, you can use all crushed tomatoes or tomato sauce, or a combination of the two, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put 1 cup of crushed tomatoes and 1 cup of tomato puree. And as you can see, I got some good tomato products here to work with. And that's pretty important, but you can use whatever you have available. Next, I'm going to give you an option of using a couple tablespoons of garlic powder or a couple tablespoons of fresh garlic. So let's put a tablespoon of fresh garlic in, and let's put a tablespoon of garlic powder in. Now, I'm going to put some dry, 2 tablespoons or 1.5 to 2 tablespoons each of dried oregano and dried basil, which I have right here. Boom, there it goes. And we're going to put a little bit of salt and pepper. And we're going to put 2 or 3 tablespoons of good olive oil in here. And we're going to give that a mix. Now, this is already a tomato sauce right there. You can see it. Looks like a pizza sauce. So, I'm going to add, because I want to, not because I have to, I'm going to add a little bit of tomato paste. I got 2 ounces. That's a third of one of these little 6-ounce cans. You don't have to put the tomato paste in. It depends what consistency you want your sauce to be. Now let's give that sauce a taste real quick. It's done pretty much. Tastes good. I'm going to put a teaspoon of sugar in there. Tastes very good, actually. Just give it one more quick taste. It's perfect as far as I'm concerned. So, let's throw a little bit of this on the plate so you can see that. There you go. Pizza sauce in less than 5 minutes. That may even been 2 minutes. I have other sauces for you that you can use on pizza in this at this channel, but this is one for when you're in a hurry and you want a pizza sauce. And you can keep this in your fridge for a week, no problem. And believe it or not, you can even freeze this, but try not to set yourself up so you have to. All right, there you go. Quick pizza sauce.